Hello friends, I am Ajit Agarwal and in this class of organic chemistry we will discuss how catalytic oxidation of methane and ethane takes place. First, you should know in what condition we can do the oxidation. It can be done in presence of oxidizing agents like K2Cl2O7 slash concentrated sulfuric acid. You can use potassium permanganate, or even you can use copper tube at 200 degrees Celsius. If you have any of these things, methane and ethane get oxidized. You should learn a simple way what product will form if you are using an alkane to undergo oxidation, catalytic oxidation. If you take any alkane, then it will get oxidized in presence of nascent oxygen coming from these oxidizing agent to form first alcohol. Again on oxidation gives aldehyde, along with byproduct water will form, and at last on the oxidation you will get an acid. In all these, the carbon number will be same as that of carbon present in alkane. Okay, this is the common chain which is more important for any conversion up to class 12 or any other standard. Suppose if you are using methane like CH4, first we will do it in balance form, and then we will write it as conversion form. If you have to do conversion from alkane to acid, you can write down like this. If you are asked to show the balance equation, then you will show step-by-step reaction like this. Methane get oxidized by oxygen coming from any oxidizing agent like K2Cl2O7 slash concentrated sulfuric acid or copper at 200 degrees Celsius. First, alcohol is formed. The alcohol of single carbon is methanol, CH3OH. This is methanol, and you have to write down the IUPAC name or common name below this formula. Okay. On balancing, you will get 2 time methane, 1 time oxygen, 2 time methanol. In second step, you will use the product form, that is methanol here. On getting oxidation by same condition gives aldehyde of single carbon. You should know aldehydic group is CHO. HCHO is formaldehyde plus water is formed. In second step, like first, in this alcohol is formed methanol, and then on oxidation of methanol, methanol is formed. Methanol, NaL, null. This is the IUPAC name of formaldehyde. At last, HCHO on oxidation gives acid of same number of single number of carbon, that is HCOOH. Its IUPAC name is methanoic acid. IUPAC common name is formic acid. Under same condition, and on balancing you will get 2 1 2 2. This is so simple balancing, you can even learn it. 2 1 2 2. Similarly in this 2 1 2. Okay, so these are the balance equation for complete oxidation or catalytic oxidation from methane to acid. And if you have to show it in conversion form, then there's no need for balancing. You can simply show like this: methane undergo oxidation in presence of K2Cl2O7 slash concentrated sulfuric acid gives first methanol. Again oxidation gives methanol as I have written the formulas above, and finally you will get methanoic acid, HCOOH. methanoic acid. Similarly, you can do the conversion of ethane, but you have to change CH4 as C2H6. If you are using C2H6, then how will you write in conversion form? C2H6 on oxidation gives alcohol of 2 carbon, C2H5OH. This is ethanol. Then in second step, on further oxidation of ethanol, you will get an aldehyde, CH3CHO. Its IUPAC name is ethanol. And finally CH3COOH. Its IUPAC name is ethanoic acid and common name acetic acid. These were the reaction for catalytic oxidation of methane and ethane. Thank you for watching my channel, and if you have liked this video, please like it, subscribe it and share it. Thank you.